ABCs of space. A is for asteroid. An asteroid is a big chunk of rock that orbits the sun. B is for binary star. A binary star is actually two stars that orbit each other. C is for comet. A comet is a clump of ice and rock in a very big orbit around the sun. D is for dark matter. We can't see dark matter, but it makes up most of the mass in the universe. E is for eclipse. An eclipse happens when the Earth, Moon, and Sun are perfectly aligned. F is for fusion. The energy source inside of stars is nuclear fusion, where atoms join together to form new elements. G is for galaxies. Each galaxy is a collection of up to 1 trillion stars, all held together by their collective gravity. H is for habitable zone. The habitable zone is a region around a star where it is warm enough for water to remain liquid. I is for inflation. Inflation was a very rapid expansion of the universe shortly after the Big Bang. J is for Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. K is for Kepler's laws. Kepler's laws describe how planets orbit stars. L is for light year. 1 light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. M is for moon. Earth has 1 moon orbiting around it. Some other planets have 0 moons and others have many. N is for neutron star. A neutron star is a collapsed iron core that is left behind after a large star dies. O is for orbit. Orbit is a free fall motion of one object around another due to gravity. P is for penumbra. Penumbra is the outer part of an eclipse shadow where the light is only partially blocked. Q is for quasar. A quasar is one of the brightest objects in the universe. R is for red giant. A red giant is a star that has grown enormous at the end of its life. S is for satellite. Anything orbiting something else much bigger is called a satellite. T is for tides. Tides are the bulging of the oceans caused by gravity. U is for universe. The universe is all the matter, energy, and space there is. V is for visible light. Visible light is the only kind of light that human eyes can see. W is for white dwarf. A white dwarf is a tiny iron core of a small star left behind after it dies. X is for X-ray telescope. X-ray telescope is a space telescope used to collect X-ray light. Y is for year. A year is the time it takes the Earth to go around the sun once. And Z is for zenith. When you stand up straight, zenith is a direction directly overhead.